Eskellion freshly picked from the garden. Eskellion or green onion. I forgot I haven't done a proper introduction. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a scallion I was showing you that was freshly picked from the garden, and we're going to be doing an oxtail and beans recipe today. Okay, so stay tuned. Sorry for the noise in the background, but these are the beans that we usually use with it. Lima beans or broad beans we call them. And put some to soak here. You can soak it or you can cook it straight away. Or you can add it to the pot, let it cook with the meat. Or you can soak it and or cook it by itself. And then add it to the meat. So that's the beans that's been soaked, broad beans. Thanks for sticking around, guys, for watching the video thus far. We're going to be cooking the oxtail and beans in an instant pot, otherwise called an Insta pot. And we're adding some coconut oil right there. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then you put the oxtails in after it caramelizes, and then you're gonna brown them. Then we'll be adding some browning, as much or as little as you like. We use about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. Depends on how dark you like it. Then you're going to add back the seasonings that you took the oxtail from. And then let that brown up a bit. Stir it up. Let it continue to brown. And then add the broad beans that I soaked to it. Stir it up. Then you're going to add some water, just enough to cover the meat. Tasted it for salt. It needed a little bit more salt, so we added some more Maggi powder. Then we're adding some soy sauce there. That's optional. And then we're going to cover the Instapot and put it to cook for about 30 minutes. I'll see you in the next clip where it should be done and ready to eat. And the oxtail is ready to eat. Feast your eyes, guys. This was so delicious. I had it with white rice, and it is such a delicious recipe and so simple. You guys can cook this and feel so confident doing it. Anyways, mega love and leave. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. All right. Thank you for watching.